Golf simulators are no longer a luxury but a necessity, transforming the way golf is enjoyed indoors. Their popularity has skyrocketed, becoming a staple in the golfing experience. The demand for these immersive indoor golf experiences is on the rise, and the global golf simulator market is expected to follow suit, with significant growth on the horizon. With so many options, choosing the right one can be a challenge. Let's dive into the top 3 golf simulators in the market today. At the top of our list is the Uneekor Eye XO SIG12. This simulator is a true game changer, offering an unrivaled golfing experience. Its high accuracy and precision provide real-time feedback, making it an excellent tool for improving your golf swing. The Eye XO SIG12 also boasts high-end technology that captures every detail of your play, ensuring a thorough and comprehensive analysis. However, keep in mind that all these premium features come with a higher price tag. But if you're looking for a simulator that doesn't compromise on quality and performance, this might just be your perfect match. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details and to make a purchase. The Uneekor Eye XO SIG12 is a top-tier simulator that offers a premium golfing experience. Next up is the HD Golf Simulator Ultimate Entertainment Package. This is a premier choice for those seeking the most realistic indoor golf experience. It boasts superior graphics, creating an immersive environment that takes you right onto the green. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Some users have noted that its complex setup can be challenging, but don't let that deter you. The end result is a comprehensive solution for a realistic golfing experience. For more details and to get your hands on this ultimate entertainment package, don't forget to check out the link in the description. The HD Golf Simulator Ultimate Entertainment Package is a comprehensive solution for a realistic golfing experience. Last but not least is the SkyTrak SIG12. This golf simulator is a game changer in the world of indoor golfing experiences. Its standout feature is its portable design that allows you to take your golf game anywhere. But while it scores high on mobility, it doesn't compromise on performance. The SkyTrak SIG12 delivers accurate data and visual feedback, enhancing every swing you take. However, it's worth noting that this simulator relies heavily on a robust Wi-Fi connection, which could be a potential area for improvement. If you're intrigued by the SkyTrak SIG12 and want to elevate your golfing game, check out the link in the description for more details and to make a purchase. The SkyTrak SIG12 is a compact yet powerful golf simulator that delivers on all fronts. So, there you have it, the top 3 golf simulators in the market today. Each offering unique features and experiences, tailored to different preferences and budgets. From the Uneekor Eye XO SIG12's precision, the HD Golf Simulator's ultimate entertainment package, to the SkyTrak SIG12's practicality. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details and to secure your purchase. Remember, the right golf simulator can enhance your golfing experience. Choose wisely and happy golfing.